morning, YouTube community. I jumped up out the bed. I'm late dropping Kentrell out from school. This boy take 18 hours getting dressed. Who y'all let y'all own kids get dressed or what? I think it's important that they learn how to get dressed on their own at an early age, because if you pamper them for too long, then when you really have to handle your business and go somewhere and somebody else got to deal with them, they're gonna be like, dang girl, your baby don't know how to put his clothes on. What's going on? But on a positive note, once again, I'm gonna ignore this fact that my face is like ashy. I'm talking to y'all with a funky breath. On a positive note, y'all, yeah, my car back running. Okay, so tune in. I want y'all to subscribe to. We finna come up. Okay, I'm not about to let y'all. I'm not asleep. Okay, no, I'm up. We're up 3 times. So yeah, tune in. I'm fixing that noise. Somebody made a comment, was like, it sound bad. I know it sound bad. We're getting it fixed. Don't worry. I can't add it in there another way. Alright y'all, welcome back. Hey, welcome back to the Real Tina. So I have a Pontiac G8. I need a new phone. Yeah, my I don't know what was wrong. I had a problem where I would turn the key and it wouldn't crank or nothing. Like, it didn't have no power to it. So my husband wired this up and made it like a little push start. He not done with it, but this just like the bootleg way. And it was running. It's running good. We took it to the exhaust shop because the mechanic that came and took the start off, at first he cut the exhaust. I'm not a mechanic or anything. I'm a wife, so I don't know all that extra stuff, but we had to get the exhaust welded, and I think he got like a pipe or whatever. So once that was done, he said that the O2 sensor was messed up. So yeah, he said the O2 sensor was messed up. So once he welded the exhaust back on, we went to O'Reilly's, got a new O2 sensor, and now my car won't crank. That sucks. So, but I am getting this like that. I push the button. That's what I'm getting. So supposedly it's the fuel pump. The fuel pump is located in the back seat. So they're going to get a new fuel pump right now, and hopefully once they get the new fuel pump, my car will be fixed. You better be careful with them flames, Trayvon. Huh? I say you better be careful with them flames and that gas.
after we took it from the exhaust shop, I'm guessing the connection was like a little not all the way together, so that you connected my car to a push button because so something was telling me like it can't be nothing major because it was literally just running. So I just made sure the connection was tight enough and tampered with the fuse a little bit, got a new thingy, and yeah, back on the road. Alright, y'all. So I figured it out. I figured it all out. This is what it is. It all had to do with the ignition from the jump. It was never a major problem. So what I was doing was I was just turning the key like that. I never completely turned it. I just turned it like that. And then I would press the button. But it never gave me fire. But when I turn the key like this, and then I press the button, it gave me fire. And that is how it's gonna work. So if you're having problems with your Pontiac G8, anything with the ignition, either change the ignition, like if it's not starting up, giving you problems, change the ignition or switch over to a push start and you should be good. Don't waste your money on fuel pumps and starters and all that other kind of stuff. Test your starter. If your starter working, it got something to do with the ignition, switch it out and you should be good. Alright, so y'all see she made it to the tire shop. I named her Waukesha, by the way. We're finna get some new tires. I think I'm gonna just get new tires for the front right now. I done spent some money trying to get it fixed. And then we're gonna see if we can make these headlights brighter before I decide to get some new ones. And we're about to put this car back on the road. My camera broke.